Hello there. I gotta tell you, I wasn't gonna do this video on reviewing a pair of boots, but after receiving these boots, putting them on, I decided there's no way I can hold this in. I gotta tell this secret to everybody. I'm talking a pair Thorogood boots. Now I've been searching for the last week online. I've been searching everywhere for a pair of USA made American boots. 8-inch. I don't like the 4-inch or the 6-inch because if you're sometimes when you're welding and the sparks catch you up on here, go down into your foot, burn your foot. So no more 4 to 6-inch boots for this guy. It's 8 to 10-inch boots. That way you never have to worry about a big old glob of metal from either you or some other welder getting down between your boot and your foot. And let me tell you, that is no fun at all. Now I've had many top brand boots during my 25 years of welding. And I gotta say, these Thorogoods, they are the top. No joke about it. I put these on the second I knew these boots were the best I'd ever wore. As far as comfort, I mean, there's no stiffness. These boots are ready to go 100% comfortable. I don't have to put any shoe padding in them because they're already comfortable. Usually when I bought a pair of boots, I'd buy 2 or 3 shoe pads after I bought them to make them more comfortable, because when you're working, you know, 10 to 16 hour days, your feet are going to get extremely sore if you ain't got a pair of comfortable boots on your feet. But these boots, I don't think they'll need any padding because they are so comfortable. These boots, $99.95. No joke. And I've looked them over. I don't see any problem anywhere with them. I don't see no stitching around the eyes. I mean, they look 100% like A+ boots. I don't think they're seconds. And if they are, I haven't been able to find it. Now most every place else I've seen these top name brand boots, you know, you're looking at between $200 and $300. But if you're a welder or a heavy worker and you need steel toe boots, let me tell you, you ain't gonna beat these. Thorogoods, $99.95. Work boots, USA, under clearance, $99.95. Go check it out. See you later.